Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today the topic was linear equation in one variable, exercise 2.2. Those who are offering syllabus of CBSE and NCERT and state syllabuses, they have the linear equations in one variable and 8th class. Next, I came with a problem that was the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? First of all, we have to analyze the question, then move into the answer, then the answer come easily. In easier way, I am showing it the relative examples like picture. Here take the rectangular pool. Okay, this was swimming pool. They said perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154. Perimeter means all the sides of boundary. So let us assume A, B, C, D swimming pool. All the sides 2 L's. This is the length and this is the breadth. 2 lengths and 2 breadths. Perimeter is 2L plus 2B or 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter. The given is 154 meters is the perimeter. So 154 meters given. Next, its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Here length is we are doing, but breadth did not mention anything. So we assume breadth as a B or else breadth as a X. Okay. Next, here take what is the length. Its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So we have to write it down as a rough, like length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So here breadth is X, twice of its breadth means 2 into X. This is the length of this side of the rectangular swimming pool in meters. This is in X meters. Breadth we assuming here, and length is 2 meters more than. More means plus, twice its breadth. Twice means multiplication with the 2. It may be 3, then we multiply X with the 3. Here they said twice its breadth. So we are assuming as 2 into X here. It is in meters. Now we know breadth and length. Perimeter is 154 meters. The formula is this. Now we have the analyzation of perimeter of rectangular swimming pool for this question. Next, move into the answer with these values, then we get the answer easily. Now I am doing the answer here. See here, answer. We are approving the answer with step by step relevant with the question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is perimeter. So that was 154 meters. We get 1. Next, second one. The breadth of the rectangular swimming pool, assume as B equal to X meters. Here we are assuming like this, so I wrote it as like this. Next, moving to the length. The length of the rectangular swimming pool is 2 plus 2x meters, because of it would tells us as the length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So we are writing like this, 2 plus 2 into breadth, and then it is in meters. Now conclusion, we have to find with the equation. So perimeter equal to 2 into length plus B. So here we have the perimeter here 154 equal to 2 into L is 2 plus 2x and the breadth is x. This is the one and this is the another one. So L equal to 2 into 2x. So this is the answer. Next 2 into here 2 plus 1x and 2x. Here 3x is the answer. Here 154 is common. Next, here the equation is this. Next continuation is 154 equal to 2 into 2 plus 3x is here. Now 150, it is the here. Now 154, let's simplify. 2 into 2, 2 into 3x. So 154 equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6 into x. Now 154 equal to, sorry, here 4 is adding this. Next coming to here 4 is dividing this. It gets negative. So plus 4 gets into LHS, it gets negative, and 6x is constant there. So 154 minus 4, 150 equal to 6x. Here 6 into x equal to 150. I am writing opposite in this equation. So x is 6 is multiplying this. Now it gets dividing. So 150 by 6. So here x equal to 6 into 150. This is the easier way, or else 6 1s are 6 2s are 12 and 3 is remaining 30, 25. Or if you are difficult with this, so 6 2s are 12. So the 3 is the 15 minus 2 is the 3 and 0. 6 5s are 30. It is 0. The answer is 25. So 25 is the answer. But coming, x is not the question, but the question was breadth. Here we assume breadth as a x centimeter. So b equal to 25 meters here. And then length of the rectangular swimming pool is here L equal to 2 plus 2x in meters. So here L equal to 2 plus 2 into here x is 25 meters. So L equal to 2 plus 2 25s are 50 meters. So L equal to 52 meters. By adding 2 and 50 we get 52 in meters. Here the answer was breadth 25 and length is 52 meters. Finally the result was the rectangular swimming pool with length 52 meters and breadth 25 meters. So finally answer was L equal to 52 meters, breadth equal to 25 meters. This was the answer. I hope you understand the answer, and if you like the video and share my videos and watch my channel Maths Medium and subscribe my channel. Thank you.